definitely great for her dahil sunod-sunod din ang kanyang projects. From her successful international movie na The Witness to her promising role sa kakatapos ng primetime series Biretera. Now she's going to make you laugh, so boy, pick up the movie. Please welcome Miss Gwen Zamora. Hello, Gwen!
Good morning, Gwen!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bukod sa pag-arte, alam mo, ngayon ko lang nalaman na mahilig siya sa pagdadirect. At kinukuha siya sa, sa isang Indonesian, na film na mag-direct ng isang short. Kaya, bongga.
Wow, talaga?
At nag-aral ka kasi, di ba?
Yes.
Tell us more about it.
Before acting, I was studying film anyway. I wanted to be a director some years back. And it just so happened that I started acting before directing. So ngayon, tinatry ko both.
Wow! So, if ever ang first film mo, sa Indonesia pa gagawin.
Pero no, it's basically 5 countries put into one movie. It's an omnibus movie. And the theme is about family. So, parang short films from each country. There's Japan, Indonesia, Korea, Philippines, and Thailand.
Wow! International si Gwen.
Grabe ka,
Pagkatapos ng
Gwen.
international movie, international director ka naman. O, ikaw na. Gwen, tungkol sa'yo, marami nang alam ang mga fans mo, di ba? Pero alamin natin kung anong estado ng puso ng isang Gwen Zamora. Pero unang-una, bago yan, sino muna yung celebrity crush mo?
Dennis Trillo, Mark Hera, Aljur Brennick. Tatlo.
Dennis
namang
Trillo,
feeling mo
naka-ano
naka-work
mo
mo si
na,
Dennis?
diba? Naka-work na, oo.
He's amazing to work with. He's such a talented actor.
Marami talagang gusto makaalam talaga na, straight from you, kung taken ka ba or single.
I don't know if I'm taken, but I'm dating. So, I'm guessing I'm not single.
Ano, showbiz? Talaga. Showbiz. Showbiz?
No, not showbiz.
Bakit mas gusto mo ba ng showbiz? Mas tahimik, no?
I like my friends.
Ito. Meron tayong game, Gwen.
Okay.
Ito, napakadali lang. Siyempre, medyo bitin pa ang mga ating mga viewers tungkol sa nalalaman sa'yo. Meron kaming parang short game lang. Gusto namin malaman yung mga preference mo. Papipiliin ka namin sa 2 bagay na babanggitin namin.
Pero Aubrey, mabilisan.
Mabilisan dapat.
Okay.
Parang mabilis lang, di ba?
Okay.
Simulan
Are you
mo na.
ready? Okay. Acting or directing?
Direct.
TV or movie?
Movie.
Career or love life?
Hindi lang pwedeng both. Pwedeng both.
Daya.
Career.
Sa ngayon. Kasi
Oo naman.
young pa naman si Gwen.
Bata-bata pa ni Gwen eh. Okay, local or international career?
Local.
Ay, ayaw mo na international career. Soon. Maybe soon.
But I
Ngayon,
want to come
sa
back
ngayon.
here. I want to die here.
Ah.
I want to have children and marry someone.
So gusto mo talaga dito sa Pilipinas?
Swerte si cameraman.
Oo nga. Sineryoso natin yung camera. Kasi tumaas ng kamay eh. Ay, naku kuya. Ito na. Patuloy natin. Sexy or handsome?
Handsome.
Handsome or intelligent?
Intelligent.
Tall or short?
Tall.
Mestizo or moreno?
Mestizo.
Live-in or marriage?
Marriage.
Wow.
Oh, sorry
Ayan na.
guys, ha?
Alam niyo na. Alam niyo na. Pero guys, sorry kasi medyo nagde-date na siya. Pero,
Nag-date siya eh.
pero hindi pa naman Hindi
Dapat
pa
mga
naman.
Ashton Kutcher level yun. Ayun kasi, maasa.
Okay.
Thank you, Gwen, for being
Thank
such a good
you.
sport. At syempre, nandito ka for Boy Pickup.
Yes. Manood po kayo ng Boy Pickup. It's out today in the malls near you. Yan.
Well, bago ka umalis, dapat, Gwen,
Yeah.
meron kang pasabog na pick-up line. Yung talagang sasabog kami. Yung
Ay,
talagang,
okay. Ready.
Dugo ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi kung wala ka, mamamatay puso ko.
Oh!
Boom! Boom! Mamatay na kami dito. Mamatay ka talaga.
Boom yun, ha? Thank you so much,
Thank
Miss
you.
Gwen Zamora.
Thank you for having me.